My name is Stefan Jacob. I'm one of the founders of Cotopaxi. I'm these days responsible for the global growth of the brand. We first noticed that we had a problem on our hands with fake websites in the lead up to Black Friday of 2021. We saw over 15 impersonation sites pop up overnight, offering massive discounts, sometimes up to 80% off. And our customer service team was overrun with requests from customers who had placed orders, who had never received their goods, and so that was a big wake-up call for us. Yeah, we were simply overwhelmed, right? We reached a point where the volume and the speed of these threats made it really clear that our internal efforts were not working, were not scaling. And so that's where we started to look for a partner that could help us automate more of the process, detect more proactively, and free up, the scarce internal resources. Redpoint's technology has really helped us in multiple ways. Image recognition is a big piece of that. Proactive keyword search. We automate takedowns of listings using our copyrighted images and content. We've set rules based on price, on stock levels, and can really prioritize where it hurts us most, where trust is broken most significantly. Since partnering with Redpoint, we have seen tremendous economic value being unlocked. $3.5 million in 2025 alone in fraudulent value being protected over the lifetime of our engagement, over $13.5 million. And we've seen over 130 hours of manual work being saved in just one quarter. What makes Redpoint different in my mind is the level of automation, unlimited takedowns, and the value of its people. For us, we have a small internal team, and we really consider Redpoint an extension of that team. So they're constantly helping us refine our keyword strategy, maximize these results, and it really feels like there is a true partnership.